Think about the one thing every Indian building needs, but no one ever sees. It's not the marble flooring or the designer light. It's the veins and arteries of the house. It's pipes, specifically CPVC pipes. Over 20 years ago, the Indian plumbing market was highly unorganized. It was dominated by local players selling low-quality heavy metal pipes that scaled, rusted, or leaked. Then one company decided to completely change the situation. They didn't just sell a product, they led a structural shift from unorganized to organized manufacturing. They introduced high-tech lead-free polymer pipes designed to last for decades. While the bigger players in the market were chasing volatile technology trends, this company was quietly laying the structural foundation of modern Indian real estate. If you had looked at the share price of this company 15 years ago, you'd have seen a small cap player. Since then, it has generated significant alpha, outperforming several large cap legacy names in the Nifty 50 on a rolling 10-year return basis, all by dominating what goes inside a wall. The signal was hidden in plain sight but wasn't found in expensive mass media advertising. It was recorded in the audited balance sheets. In an operational vector most retail investors ignore, the working capital cycle. Let's break down the mechanics behind this financial engine. First up, revenue growth. This measures the steady compounding of total operations, acting as the core indicator of brand demand.
The company managed a remarkable top-line compounding rate of approximately 23% over the last decade,
scaling to a revenue footprint of over 6,500 crore rupees. They rode a massive macro wave of formalization where builders and consumers structurally shifted away from cheap, unbranded alternatives toward trusted labels. Next, look at working capital. This represents the cash tied up in day-to-day operations like raw inventory and outstanding distributor dues. The data demonstrates a tight, optimized cycle. In plain terms, their cash cycle remains highly efficient. They hold immense market influence, balancing dealer collections while maintaining premium bargaining power over their supply chain ecosystem. Finally, we crack the dealer network. This is the physical distribution footprint across India. For this business, distribution is destiny. Every new dealer counter added isn't just an extra point of sale. It forms a defensive economic moat that raises barriers to entry for competing regional brands. When a company's volumes scale while its cash conversion cycles remains highly disciplined, it highlights operational pricing power. It proves that the trade ecosystem wasn't just buying commodity plastic, they were specifically demanding a premium brand. Here is the core takeaway. Multi-generational wealth isn't just created by complex new tech inventions. It is consistently unlocked by market formalization. In India, fragmented unorganized categories from home building materials to specialized industrial plastics are structurally transitioning to institutional brands. When a category moves from local and unbranded to institutional and trusted, the market leader can turn into a powerful compounding engine. You don't need a Wall Street analyst to spot this trend. You can track it directly via two metrics: structural market share gains and dealer expansion network footprint. If an enterprise consistently adds more counters than its immediate rivals year after year, the enterprise value has a clear long-term trajectory. One of the most resilient industrial performers of the past 2 decades doesn't construct highways or mega airports. It manufactures the core plumbing architecture that makes every modern home operational. For years, the regulatory filing showcased a relentlessly expanding distribution network. Most casual observers saw a boring hardware player. Disciplined fundamental investors saw a cash flow generating engine. Did you guess the company we are analyzing?
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.